Three things na kailangan yung malaman before the newborn photoshoot ni baby. Tara, pag-usapan natin. Hi moms and dads! Ako nga pala si Coach Archie ng Archie Mercado Photography Studio. And today, pag-uusapan natin kung ano nga ba yung three things na dapat nyong malaman bago ang photoshoot ni baby. Number 1, keep baby sleepy. Kailangan sobrang sleepy ni baby bago ang photoshoot. Pwede nyo siyang gisingin 1 or 2 hours before the photoshoot para pagdating niya ng studio, sobrang antok na siya. Bakit? Kasi pag sobrang sleepy ni baby, mas madali yung photoshoot, mapopost natin siya na maayos, less stress din kay baby, then sobrang smooth lang ng flow natin sa photoshoot ni baby. Number 2, feeding is the key. Ipamilk si baby before ng photoshoot. Kung breastfeeding man siya or bottled, okay lang yun. Kasi a full baby is a happy and sleepy baby. And don't worry kung kailangan mag-pause minsan pag kailangan i-feed si baby. Sobrang normal lang yan. Kasi si baby pa rin ang masusunod sa shoot. Number 3, don't stress mommy and daddy. Kung masyado kayo nag-overthink kung anong mga kailangan yung i-prepare during the shoot ni baby, huwag kayo masyado ma-stress dyan. Magdala lang kayo ng extra milk kung bottle fed siya, and magdala lang kayo mga diaper and extra clothes lang. Yun lang naman ang ipe-prepare nyo. Pagdating nyo ng studio, kami nang bahala sa lahat. Kami na magsuswaddle kay baby, kami na magpapatahan kay baby. Then, when it comes to outfits and props naman, kami na din ang bahala doon. Basta pumili kayo ng layout, yun na yung mga props na yon, kami na magpo-provide ng mga yon. Ang gagawin nyo lang is sit back, relax, and enjoy the photo shoot. And speaking of newborn photography, I'm inviting you all aspiring and professional photographers to attend in our upcoming workshop this August 29, 2025. Dito lang yan sa AMP Studio. Ito yung workshop natin na Basic Newborn Photography by Newborn Academy for Photographers Philippines. It's gonna be a full day of learning, from posing, camera angles, and proper lighting, and of course, the newborn safety handling, and building your own newborn brand. Kung gusto mong magsimula or kung gusto mong mag-level up ng newborn photography, don't miss this chance, guys. So, message us now in our page, Newborn Academy for Photographers Philippines, to reserve your slot. So, dyan na nagtatapos yung video natin. By the way, I'm Coach Archie from AMP Studio. If meron pa kayong gustong idagdag dito sa content ko, comment nyo lang dyan sa